Understanding servers, the silent heroes of the digital world. Have you ever wondered how your favorite website, your emails, or even your online games work seamlessly? It's all thanks to a magical entity called a server. Let's dive into this fascinating world to understand what servers are, their history, how they work, and why they're so essential. In simple terms, a server is a powerful computer that provides services, data, or programs to other devices, known as clients, over a network. Think of a server as the brain of the internet, orchestrating everything behind the scenes to ensure a smooth experience for us. Whether you're streaming a movie, shopping online, or using social media, a server somewhere is working tirelessly to make it happen. The journey of servers began in the 1960s, when computers were massive and cost millions. The term server officially emerged in the early 1980s, when the concept of client-server computing gained traction. Back then, servers were specialized machines that connected limited networks in academic or government settings. Fast forward to the 1990s, the era of the World Wide Web. This was when servers became the backbone of the internet, hosting websites and making them accessible worldwide. Today, we have data centers housing thousands of servers, powering everything from social media to artificial intelligence. Here's how it works. A server receives requests from clients over a network. For example, when you type a website address into your browser, your device sends a request to the server hosting that site. The server processes the request and sends the requested data back to your device, allowing you to view the web page. Servers are designed to handle many requests simultaneously, ensuring that everyone accessing the same website gets the information they need without delays. Servers come in various shapes and sizes, each serving a specific purpose. Here are some of the most common types. Web servers host websites and deliver web pages. File servers store and manage files for clients. Database servers handle data storage and retrieval. Mail servers manage email communication. Game servers enable multiplayer gaming experiences. Cloud servers provide scalable computing resources over the internet. Servers are the backbone of modern technology. Without them, we wouldn't have the internet, e-commerce, online education, or even virtual meetings. They ensure data availability, security, and speed, keeping the digital world running smoothly. Creating a server is easier than you might think. Here's a simple guide. Choose your hardware. Any computer can act as a server, but for better performance, use a dedicated machine. Select an operating system. Popular server OS options include Linux, like Ubuntu Server, or Windows Server. Install server software. Depending on your purpose, you might need software like Apache for web servers or MySQL for databases. Set up a network. Configure your server to connect with clients over a local network or the internet. Secure your server. Use firewalls, encryption, and regular updates to keep it safe. Servers are an integral part of our digital lives, yet they're often overlooked. Now that you know what they are and how they work, take a moment to appreciate the silent heroes powering our world. Who knows, maybe you'll even build your own server one day. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of servers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time.